Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 4, exercise 6A. 6A, question number 4. The coordinate of A and B are 3K and 8 and K and minus 3 respectively. Given that the gradient of the line segment AB is 3, find the value of K. Now we have 2 points A and B. So A point is 3K 8 and B point is given K and minus 3. And the gradient is also given, gradient AB is 3. We have to find the value of K. So according to the formula, gradient of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, now we will suppose these are the point x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. We will put these values here. By putting these values, it is minus 3 and y is 8, y1 is 8, and then k and minus 3k, right? And gradient of AB is given, that is 3. So we will put this value here, that is given in question. This one, this is given. Now we have to find the values of k. Then it is minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, and this will be minus 2k. Now cross multiply, it will be minus 6k is equal to minus 11, right? Then we will divide 6 or cross multiply. This will be minus will be positive sign, so it will be 6 ones are 6 and 5 is remainder and 6 is divisor. So k value is 1/5 over 6. Okay, Ramisa?
Okay, miss.
Any confusion?
No, miss.
Okay. Okay, now we will start next question, question number 5. The gradient of the line joining the point 9a and 2a 1 is 2 over a. Similarly, this question is given as the same pattern like question number 4. So point A, 9a, we will consider let A point is 9 and A, and B point is 2a 1, and the gradient of AB is given. So gradient of AB is given, that is 2 over A. We have to find value of A. Okay, now gradient of AB, it will be, I'm writing directly now, 1 minus A over 2A minus 9. Now gradient of A is 2 over A, that is given. 2 over A. This will be 1 minus A over A. Now cross multiply, so it will be 2A and A will be multiplied here. So got this point, or I have to explain? Yes, Ramisa?
No, miss.
Okay, it's clear. Okay. Now
Yes.
we will multiply a inside the bracket, so it will be a square. A square. Now it is 2a minus a and plus a square is equal to 0. It will be, we will arrange a square plus this will be a. Okay. Now we can take a as common and make the factors. And then a is equal to 0 and a is equal to plus minus 1 is equal to 0 and a is equal to minus 1. Okay. So these are the values for question number 5. Let me check answer of these. Question number 5, it is minus 6 and 3. How it can be minus 6 and 3? 2a1. Wait. Okay. Here it is 9, not a. This one is 9. This one is 9. So this is 2a minus 9. Here. So it's mean I thought it is a and I did according to a. Answer is not matching. So it's mean this one is 9. Okay. It is 2a over 1 minus a over 2a minus 9. Now we will cross multiply and then it is 2a minus 9 and it is a and 1 minus a. Okay, it will be 4a minus 18 and this is a minus a square. Now we will shift the values. It is 4a minus a plus a square and minus 18 is equal to 0. And we will arrange this and it will be 3a and minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, now it is quadratic equation. We can solve it by quadratic formula or by factorization. So we can use factorization method because 6 threes are 18 and if we will subtract 3 from 6, we will get 3a. So we are using factorization method here. A plus 6 minus 3, a plus 6, it is 18 is equal to 0. Now a minus 3 and a plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Then a minus 3 is equal to 0 and a is equal plus 6 is equal to 0. First step is this. The next one is a is equal to 3 and a is equal to minus 6. These are the values. Okay.
Miss, I used the quadratic formula and I'm getting the same answer.
Yes, you will get the same answer if you will use quadratic formula. Okay. Question number 6. The points P, Q, and R have coordinate 6 minus 11. P point is 6 minus 11 and Q point is K and minus 8 and R point is 2K minus 3. respectively. If the gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of PR, gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of P is equal to PR, then find the value of K. Okay, and we have to find the value of K. So we will write gradient of PQ. Gradient of PQ is -9. This is -9. -9 and +11 over K minus 6. So these are equal, it's given. Then PR, this P and this R and this P. So -3 plus 11 over 2K and minus 6. Yes, Ramisa. Is it clear?
Miss, can you explain it once again?
Okay. According to the question is given that we have P, Q, R are 3 points. If the gradient of PQ is equal, they wrote it's equal. Okay, it's mean they are equal. So if they are equal, means gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of PR, then find the value of K. We have to find the value of K. I will write here. This is the question. Find value of K. Okay. So according to condition, gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of PR. Okay, now take PQ. Which one is PQ values? This is P and this is Q, right? This one is P, this one is Q. According to this, 9 is at Y2 and -11 is Y1. Okay, so -9 minus -11 will be +11. Got this point, or I have to explain it more?
No, I got it, Miss.
Okay. Now, the second point is x2. This is x2 and this one is x1. So it will be k minus 6. Got it? Now, next side is, second side is PQ, gradient of PR, gradient of PR. Now we will consider this one is x1, y1, and this one will be x2, y2.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Then according to that, y2 value is -3 and y1 value is -11. So it will be minus minus plus 11 and 2k minus 6, right? Yes, Rumisa. Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so the gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of PR. Now we will simplify this. -9 plus 11 is 2 over k minus 6. And then -3 and plus 11 is 8 over 2k minus 6. Now we will cross multiply. So cross multiply, it is 2k minus 6 and 8k minus 6. It will be 4k and 12. And it is 8k minus 48. Now we will shift these values to other side. So it will be, I am shifting these values, 8k minus 4k and minus 48 plus 12. or we can shift its 48 to other side like this. Minus 12 plus 48, right? Constant on left side and variables on right side. Okay, then 48 minus 12 is 6, 3, and this will be 4. Okay, now divide on both sides by 4 or cross multiply. So its value is 9. Okay, K value is 9. We have to find this value. It's 9. Yes, it's correct. Now question number 7 is it clear, Ramisa?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So now we will proceed next. Question number 7. The points P, Q, and R are collinear. Collinear means they are lie on the same line. Okay, means they are on the same line. These points are on the same line. They lie on a straight line. Find the value of C. If they are lie on the straight line, means P, I will write here, it is a P, it is Q, it is Q, and it is R. So P point is 2 minus 3 and Q point is 3 minus 2 and R point is 8 and Z. Okay, they are collinear, they lie on the straight line. Find the value of C. So it's mean they lie on the straight line. So we can find the value of Z by finding their gradient. First, we will take the gradient PQ. Okay. Wait. It is okay, gradient of it's not right. Gradient of we will find gradient of PQ is equal to gradient of PR. Okay, similarly, gradient of PQ is minus 2 and plus 3 over 3 3 minus 2 is equal to Z minus plus 3 over 8 minus 2. Okay, now it is 1 over 1 and it will be Z minus plus 3. So Z plus 3 over 6. It is 1 over Z plus 3 over 6. Now cross multiply. It will be 6 minus 3 is equal to Z. So Z value is 3. Value is 3. Okay. the line joining next, is it clear, Lisa?
Yes, Miss.
For linear line, we will find the values of PQ. We can also find this PQR equal to QR, gradient of QR, because we have to find only the value of Z. So we can take any 2 point PQ, or we can take PQ or QR, or we can take PQ or PR, gradient of PR. It's up to our choice. We are taking which two gradients, but we will get the same answer. Okay. Okay, now question number 8. The line joining the point A, B has a gradient of 2. Find possible value of T. Okay, now here A point is given, that is 2 and T, and B point is given, that is 7 and 2T square plus 7, and gradient is given 2 and has gradient of 2. So find the value of T. T value we have to find, and gradient of AB is given, that is 2. Now find gradient of AB. If we will find gradient of AB, then this one is y2 and this one is x2 and this is x1 and y1. So according to y2, we will write it is 2t square plus 7 minus t over 7 minus 2. And gradient of AB is given, that is 2. So we will put this value here, 2t square plus 7 minus t over 5. Now cross multiply, it will be 10, 2t square plus 7 minus t. Now we will simplify it, 2t square minus t plus 7 plus 7 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then it is 2t square minus t minus 3. Now we can apply quadratic formula or by factorization. 3 2s are 6. If we will take it as 3 2s are 6, we can also apply here factorization. So it will be 2 3s are, so plus, no, minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3t and plus 2t. It will be t 2t minus 3, and it here is 1, 2t minus 3. T plus 1 and 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is t plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 1 and t is equal to 3 over 2, or it can be written as 1 over 2. Okay. Yes, Ramisa. Is it clear, everything?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now last question is left. The coordinate of vertices of square. Now its square is given. Coordinate of vertices of square. So square is A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. A value, A point is 0, 6, and B point is 2, 1, and C point is 7, 3, and D point is 5, 8. Find the gradient of all four sides of A, B, C, D. Question number 9. So here we have to find gradient of AB, gradient of BC, gradient of CD, and gradient of all four sides. So gradient of DA, or you can write it's AD. It's same. Now I am finding directly AB. What is AB gradient? Now you will help me.
0, 6, and 2, 1.
Yes, 2, 1. So which one? X1, Y1. Consider it is X1. This is first point and this is second point. X2, Y2. Then Y2 minus Y1. Which value is Y2?
1 minus 6.
1 minus 6 over
2 minus 0.
2 minus 0. So it will be minus 5 over 2, right? It is minus 5 over 2. Okay, next, BC. For BC is, yes, Rumisa. Yes.
3 minus 1.
Yes, 3 minus 1 over
And 7 minus 2.
7 minus 2. So it will be 2 over 5, right? Okay, now next CD.
8 minus 3.
8 minus 3.
And 7 minus 5.
No, 8 minus 3, then 5 minus 7. Okay, 5 minus 7. You are taking this first point, okay? So 8 minus 3 and 5 minus 7. So it will be 5 over 2. 5 over minus 2. Minus 2. Yes, okay, DA.
8 minus 6.
Hmm. You
And
can
5
write
minus 0.
8 minus 6, your 6 minus 8. It's up to you. 8 minus 6 or 6 minus 8. If you are taking 6 minus 8, then 0 minus 5. Okay. Or you can
Okay.
take 8 minus 6 or 5 minus 0. In any way, we can take these numbers. Even all others, we can take first. We can change the order. We will get the same answer. It's minus 2 over minus 5. So it will be 2 over 5. And similarly check, it is 2 over 5. We can find it directly. The same answer we are getting. Okay. So these are the gradient of all sides. Now its second part is, what do you observe about the gradient of the opposite sides of the square? Yes, what do you observe from the gradient of the opposite sides of the square? So opposite side is AB and DC. Sorry, AB and CD or DC, they are same. Look at here. Opposite sides are, this is opposite side. AB is equal to DC and DA is equal to CD, right? So gradient of AB is -5/2 and gradient of DC is -5/2. It's same. And gradient of CB is 2/5 and gradient of DA is also 2/5. So it's mean the gradient of opposite sides of the square is equal, right? Got it? Yes, Rumisa. Hello, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Gradient of AB. I'm writing here. Gradient of AB is equal to gradient of CD. Both are same. -5/2. They are equal. We are solving second part of this question. Then gradient of BC is equal to gradient of uh, DA. So it is 5/2. What do we observe here? Opposites, the gradient of opposite sides are equal. We will write here. Gradient Mhm. It's difficult to write because now it's wait. Now we wrote a lot of things on the board. Gradient of opposite sides are equal. Okay,